8 Powerful Baking Soda Hacks for Health and Home. Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to YouTube channel for empowering health information and transformative remedies. We are dedicated to championing your health and well-being, bringing you the latest insights, expert interviews, and practical solutions to help you thrive. Whether you're searching for natural remedies, nutritional advice, or tips for a healthy lifestyle, we've got you covered. Welcome back to Healthline Champions, your ultimate guide to health and wellness. Get ready to be amazed by these 8 powerful baking soda hacks. Let's dive right in and discover how this versatile powder can improve our health and home. Did you know that you can use baking soda to soothe insect bites and sunburns? Simply mix it with water to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. Say goodbye to odors in your fridge by leaving an open box of baking soda inside. It works like magic in absorbing unwanted smells. For sparkling clean dishes, add a sprinkle of baking soda to your dishwashing detergent. Stubborn stains on your clothes? Baking soda can help lift them. Mix it with water to create a paste and apply it directly to the stain. Thank you for joining us on this incredible health journey. If you found this video valuable and want to stay connected with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of health remedy solutions, inspiring stories, and expert guidance to support your wellness goals. Together, let's champion health, empower ourselves, and create a community dedicated to living our best, healthiest lives.